In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require an email to download files in WordPress using Wpforms. This is a fantastic way to both distribute your content and grow your email list simultaneously. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to install and activate the Wpforms plugin. Begin by navigating to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New. You'll see a search bar, and here you need to type in Wpforms. Once the results show up, look for Wpforms in the list and click Install Now. After a few moments, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that too. This will activate the Wpforms plugin, making it ready for use on your site. With Wpforms installed, it's time to build your form. Head over to Wpforms in your dashboard and click Add New to start creating a form. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your form, so let's call it something intuitive like Download Form. Next, you'll select a pre-made template to simplify the process. Look for and select the Content Download Form template, then click Use Template. This will load a form with fields tailored for content downloads, saving you a bunch of setup time. Now it's time to customize your form a bit to meet our specific needs. First, make sure the email field is marked as required. This step is crucial because we want to ensure that users must provide their email addresses to proceed with the download. You can easily do this by clicking on the email field and checking the box labeled Required in the Settings panel. Additionally, consider modifying the text on the Submit button to something more compelling like Download Now, to clearly indicate the action that users will be taking. Moving right along to configuring the form's settings. Navigate to the Settings menu and then click on Notifications. Here, you'll want to set up an email notification that will be sent to users after they submit the form. This email will contain the download link, ensuring that only those who have provided their email address can access the file. Be sure to enter a subject line that's engaging and reminds them of their download. Don't forget to include the download link in the message body. Finally, let's embed your form on a page where site visitors can engage with it. If you have an existing page you want to use, go ahead and edit it. Otherwise, create a new page dedicated to your download. When you're in the page editor, click to add a block and search for the Wpforms block. Once added, select your newly created download form from the list. With everything set up, simply hit Publish or Update to make the form live on your website. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to capture email addresses before allowing file downloads via WordPress with Wpforms. By following these steps, you ensure your content is accessible only to those who share their contact details, helping you expand your reach and keep in touch with your audience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy implementing this on your site.